Hey guys, I'm Mr. Beast, and today we are here, and I don't know where I am, guys. Who is this?
Who the fuck are you?
I'm Mr. Beast!
Wait, hang on a second. Did you perhaps give away 100 grand to some random asshole a while ago?
Yeah, I think his name was Brother.
Well, guess what I did to Brother?
What did you do?
He bought a fucking corporation, and I blew it up!
Oh, why did you blow up your brother's corporation?
Well, it's his fucking name, Brother. You don't even know what he's like, Mr. Beast.
Okay, Jake, look into my eyes and tell me that Brother isn't an amazing name.
Mr. Beast, did you say amazing and brother in the same sentence?
I most certainly did, Jake. That's why I give him 100 grand a year.
Shut up! Shut up!
I spent 24 hours with a green lunatic. Whoa, my God.
Ew.
Jacob, are you okay?
I'm perfectly fine, Mr. Beast. Yeah, guys. Mr. Beast, you wanna make a series?
Welcome to your final test. I'm Mr. Beast.